Hello, let me walk you through our newly released split scan bodies. As you can see, it consists of the two separate pieces, titanium bases screwed on top of the MUA and Tekka Peak snap-ons that are snapped on top of the titanium caps. I will be demonstrating use of these scan bodies. You would first put the bases on multi-unit abutments. Please note that you can either hand torque them or use a screwdriver depending on your preference. You would now snap on peak part on top of the titanium. Please note the direction that I'll be going with, front to back. You can apply gentle pressure from top to click it in case it didn't from the first time. Snapping off works in the opposite way, back to front. Once you snap them on, you can only rotate it clockwise to orient patterns to the front. This will ensure you don't accidentally unscrew the base part from multi-unit abutment. Once again, note the demo of putting the top part on the base and clicking it off. Moving on to the software part, there is not much of a difference. The only difference would be the output shape as it's calibrated to produce the STL of the caps. Therefore, after completing photogrammetry scan, you could snap the top parts off and use titanium bases as the scan body's frontal scan. The alignment is then done on the bases.